All right, this is the Yeacool multi-purpose camping tool, trenching tool, digging tool, cool pointy tool. This is the box it came in. A lot smaller than it looks in the pictures. So it comes with a set of instructions, obviously. It came in this nice little canvas bag. And this bag's actually not bad at all. It's got a little loop on the back if you want to hang this off of something. And there are belt loops on here if you want to strap this thing to your belt. Nice clip on here. It comes in two pieces. They were all protected in bubble wrap. Pretty simple concept here. You've got the shovel blade section, all the different things it does. And we've got this trenching pickaxe section on here that also features a nail puller on here, I guess. We've got a bottle opener right here. We've got saw teeth right here. And the edge is sort of sharp. It's not the sharpest thing in the world, but you want to be careful. This point's definitely sharp. So it comes in two pieces. You just screw them together. The whole thing's made out of metal, with the exception of this piece, which is plastic. We've got an Allen screw on here, so it looks like we can tighten this up if we need to. There are two rubber grips on here that actually feel really good. The way that this thing works and sets into place is pretty simple. Let's say you want to turn this into a shovel. You put this like this, screw this thing into place, and it locks it into place just like that. You can set this thing pretty much at this angle or this angle right here. So let's say you want to use it as a pick or a trenching tool or whatever. You know, just put that in place, lock it into place, you're good to go. Or if you want to use it with both of these guys, lock it in, and there you go. It's small, it's compact, you can wear it on your belt, you can throw it in your car, throw it in your RV, throw it in your camping kit. Pretty awesome.